Available in different sizes, offered in a variety of styles and sizes for a quality vehicle repair. Heat resistant, designed to resist heat for long-lasting performance. Premium materials, made from high-quality materials for durability and long life. Engineering expertise, parts are reviewed and validated and approved by Walker engineers through rigorous research and development. Real-world tested, parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. Easier to install, featuring slotted bolt holes. Where applicable, for easy installation, gasket slips into place. Better together, use premium Walker accessories when installing Walker catalytic converters and mufflers for a complete exhaust system upgrade. Complete your exhaust repair with Walker gaskets and flanges. Available in a variety of styles and sizes, they're designed to work with OE exhaust components and Walker aftermarket replacement parts. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. I used these when repairing a section of the stock exhaust on a 2005 Kia Spectra 5. Perfect fit. Seem to seal well and no leaks so far. I will update here if anything changes.